everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for dry fruit business. Suppose I have a dry fruit shop and in order to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead by using Vati. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up an integration between these two applications, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati for sending WhatsApp template messages. If you want, you can also take any other application over here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensei. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send WhatsApp messages to our dry fruit business leads by setting up a simple integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So here I am going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software for creating this automation. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard where we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save our workflow. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows on this dashboard accordingly. Now we will click on this create workflow option, which is given on right corner with blue color, to create a new workflow. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. So now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down here, I'm going to select this test integrations folder. And now we will simply click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and Vati, through which we want to send WhatsApp messages in our action. And we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead through Vati. Here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated from Facebook lead ads, then only the message is sent through Vati, otherwise not. Now after understanding this concept, let's start creating this workflow step by step. So first of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. After selecting the application, the next thing which we have to do is we have to select our trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So we will select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we wanted whenever a new lead will be generated, the response should be captured here, and with that response the workflow should get triggered. Let's click on connect. And now here from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now let's click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And we can find that automatically our authorization has become successful because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logged into your applications before making the connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. Now we will move further. The next thing, it is asking us to select the page as well as the lead gen form associated with it. Now in order to understand this, I am going to take you towards my Facebook account. So this is the page with the name as Terra Dry Fruit Company, which I am running for my dry fruit business, and I want to promote this business with the help of lead gen form. So I have created a lead gen form by using Facebook lead ads, and now I want that as soon as a person is going to submit that form, the response of that same form should be captured automatically in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we need to connect this page with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further, and here I am going to select my page, that is Terra Dry Fruit Company. After doing this, here we have to select the lead gen form. So I have two options over here, all lead gen forms and lead form for dry fruit business. I want to select this lead form for dry fruit business, as I want that whenever the lead will be generated by submitting this form, then only the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, otherwise not. Okay, now we will click on save and send test request button. And as we have done that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By submitting this form which we have selected over here, so that the test response should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. For doing that, I am going to take you towards Meta for Developers. After coming here, we have to go towards more option, and then we will find the option of tools. Let's select it, and it is going to take us towards developer tools. Now here under other developer tools, we can find the option of lead ads RTU debug tool. Let's select it. And it is going to take us towards lead ads testing tool. So we are going to use this testing tool in order to test our integration. Because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page for my dry fruit business, here I'm going to submit a test response. But in case if you are running a live campaign and then you are going to create the lead gen form, automatically whenever a new lead will be generated with that form, the response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now let's submit the form so that we can send the test response. First of all, we will select our page over here, that is Terra Dry Fruit Company. And now we have to select the form which is already selected. Okay, so it is given that you can create one lead per form. For that, you have to delete the existing lead from this form. Let's click on this delete lead button. And as we have done that, the lead is deleted. Now we will refresh the page once, and we will once again select our page as well as the form. So this is very important step. Once you will delete the existing lead, you also have to refresh the page so that a new form could be open in front of us. Okay, let's click on this preview form button. And now the form is open in front of us. So basically this is a contact form. Wherever a person is going to submit it with the details, the response will be captured automatically, and then I'm going to send the WhatsApp message to these customers. Okay, so because I'm doing a test submission, I'm going to enter dummy details over here. Let's start with the name. Let's say the name will be dummy user. And now we are going to enter the email. Let's say the email is dummyyuser56@pabblytudes.com, just a random email. And now I'm going to enter the contact number. Let me select the country, and here let's say the random phone number is. Let's click on next, and we will submit the form. So as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And we can find that as soon as we have submitted the form in leads ads testing tool, the response is automatically captured over here. Here we have all the details, full name, email, as well as the phone number of the customer. Now, because we have received this response, that means our integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successful. So by using this response, we are going to move forward. Now my objective is to send WhatsApp message to the lead which is recently generated, and that I'm going to do with the help of Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. You can also use any other application over here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensei. Now because I'm using Vati, I'm going to connect Vati over here in the action application. So let us select our action application as Vati. And we will select the action event, that will be send template message. Okay, let's click on connect. And here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with my Vati account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now, as we have clicked on add new connection, it is asking us for two details, API endpoint as well as the access token. Now from where we are going to find both these details, for that the instructions are provided to us here. You just have to go towards your Vati dashboard, and then you have to click on API docs. When you will do that, you will find both the details there. So let me take you towards my Vati account, and we will go towards API docs. And yes, here are both the details. So first of all, let us copy the API endpoint, and we will paste it over here. The next is the access token. So let's copy it, and we will paste it over here. Done. In the same manner, you have to find both the details, and now we will click on save. As we have done that, we can find that our Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further now. Here it is asking several details which we have to fill in order to send WhatsApp messages. First of all, it is asking us the WhatsApp number, on which number you want to send the message. Here our objective is to send the message to our customers or our Facebook leads, and we have already received all the details of our Facebook leads in our earlier response. So we will simply map the data by using our previous step. What is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given. Let's select it. And here are all the details. So we want to map the number. We will select that, and it will be mapped automatically. Now, when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, and the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically this number is going to replace with a new number of that new lead. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static, and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Okay, so we will move further. The next is the template. In order to understand this, I'm going to take you towards my Vati account, and we will go towards template section. After coming here, we can find that there are multiple templates created for different purposes. I have created a new template with the name as Dry Fruit Business for sending WhatsApp messages to my customers. Okay, let me open it and show you. So this is the template. The name is the Dry Fruit Business. I have selected the category as marketing and the language is English. You can also select any other language for sending messages over here. The next is the broadcast title. Whatever you are going to select in your broadcast title is going to be shown in the bold in the header of your message. I have used the name of my company, Terra Dry Fruits, over here. In case if you want to attach a particular image in the header, you can also select broadcast title type as image in the place of text. Okay, we will move further. So this is the message. Hello name, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you as you are special to us. Enjoy 50% off on all your purchase up to $14.99. Also get 20% extra discount on your first purchase with us. Enjoy your winters with Terra Dry Fruits Company. Thanks Team Terra. So this is the message. Here I have used variable for name. Now wherever in the message we use variable, the details of that place will get replaced automatically with each and every response. So because I have used variable for name, the name of the person is going to replace with each and every response. So now whenever we are going to receive any new Facebook lead, automatically the name of that lead will appear here in this particular message. In the same manner, by using variables in the template, we can customize our messages for sending the same template messages to different people. I have used a basic message as well as only one variable over here. You can use as much variable you want in order to customize your template. Okay. After entering the content, here we have to provide the sample content for the variable. Sample content is the value of the variable which we have to use in order to send messages. Okay. Sample content is the value of the variables which we want to use in place of the variables. Okay, so here I have used the variable for name, so I have provided sample content as the dummy name over here. Sample content is not required to be exact always. You can also provide dummy details over here. Now let's cross this. And once you will complete your template, you also have to send it for approval. And once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send WhatsApp messages to thousands of customers. In order to send WhatsApp messages to multiple people. Now, as my template is approved, I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to select the name of my template as Dry Fruit Business. We can find that the template is selected correct. The next is the broadcast name. So in this field, we have to provide the title of the broadcast which we have used in our template. So this is my broadcast title, Terra Dry Fruits, the name of my company. I'm simply going to enter the same over here. Terra Dry Fruits. Okay, this is the broadcast name, and now we are going to move forward towards custom parameters. So this is very important step of this workflow. Here we need to provide the name of the variables as well as the values which we want to use in place of that variable. So I have used only one variable in my template, that is for name. The custom parameters are required to be in this particular format. So let's just copy it and I will paste it over here. And now I'm going to make the necessary changes in this particular format only. So in the place of name, we have to provide the name of our variable, and in place of value, we need to provide the value which we want to use in place of that variable. So because the name of my variable is name, I'm going to enter name over here. And now I'm going to enter the value. So I want to enter the name of the lead in this place, in the place of value. So I will simply map the name of the lead, that is dummy user. Okay. Now as I have mapped the name over here, it has become dynamic and now it is going to change with each and every response. But the things which I have entered manually will not change as they have become static now. Okay. So now in order to send the message, let's click on the save and send test request button. And as we have done that, here we can find that we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details as well as the contact ID. So this means that the message is sent on the number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, here we can find that we have received the message over here from Terra Dry Fruits. Hello dummy user, thank you for contacting us. We have some special offers for you. Here are the special discounts, 50% off on your purchase up to $14.99 as well as 20% discount on your first purchase with us. Enjoy your winters with Terra Dry Fruits Company. Thanks Team Terra. So this means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully built an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. And now whenever a new lead will be generated for our dry fruit business, automatically a message will be sent on WhatsApp to that same customer regarding the discount offers. Okay, so we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and here we are going to summarize what we have done in this workflow. We have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ad, and in action, we have taken Vati, and we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new response will be captured from Facebook lead ads, that means now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for our dry fruit business, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead through Vati. In the same manner, you can very easily create this automation by setting up a simple integration between these two applications, and this will enable you to automatically send WhatsApp messages to all your Facebook leads for your dry fruit business. This will enable you to enhance your business, to connect with your customers very easily without any manual efforts, and you can send festival wishes to your customers, discount offers on festivals, even you can send your product catalogs to your customers. Okay, so this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.